Navratri, the festival of worshipping goddess Durga and her 9 forms Navadurga. Navratri is a Hindu festival that spans 9 nights and 10 days and is celebrated every year in the autumn. It is observed for different reasons and celebrated differently in various parts of the Indian subcontinent. Theoretically, there are 4 seasonal Navratri. However, in practice, it is a post-monsoon autumn festival called Sharad Navratri that is the most observed in the honor of the divine feminine Devi Durga. The festival is celebrated in the bright half of the Hindu calendar month Ashwin, which typically falls in the Gregorian months of September and October. In the eastern and northeastern states of India, the Durga Puja is synonymous with Navratri, wherein Goddess Durga battles and emerges victorious over the buffalo demon to help restore Dharma. In the northern and western states, the festival is synonymous with Ram Leela and Dashera that celebrates the battle and victory of Lord Ram over the demon king Ravan. In southern states, the victory of different goddesses, Lord Ram or Goddess Saraswati, is celebrated. In all cases, the common theme is the battle and victory of good over evil, based on regionally famous epic or legend such as the Ramayana or the Devi Mahatmya. Celebrations include stage decorations, recital of the legend, enacting of the story, and chanting of the scriptures of Hinduism. The 9 days are also a major crop season cultural event, such as competitive design and staging of pandals, a family visit to these pandals, and the public celebration of classical and folk dances of Hindu culture. On the final day, called the Vijayadashmi or Dashera, the statues are either immersed in a water body such as river and ocean, or alternatively, the statue symbolizing the evil is burned with fireworks, marking evil's destruction. The festival is associated to the prominent battle that took place between Goddess Durga and demon Mahishasura and celebrates the victory of good over evil. These 9 days are solely dedicated to Goddess Durga and her 9 avatars. Each day is associated to an incarnation of the goddess. Day 1. Goddess Shailaputri. First day known as Pratipada. This day is associated to Goddess Shailaputri, means literally daughter of mountain, an incarnation of Goddess Parvati. It is in this form that the goddess is worshipped as the consort of Lord Shiva. She is depicted as riding the bull Nandi with a trishul in her right hand and lotus in her left. Goddess Shailaputri is considered to be the direct incarnation of Goddess Mahakali. It is believed that the moon, the provider of all fortunes, is governed by the Goddess Shailaputri, and any bad effect of the moon can be overcome by worshipping this form of Adi Shakti. Her favorite flower is jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship Goddess Shailaputri. Om Devi Shailaputre Namaha. Day 2. goddess Brahmacharini. On Dvitiya, goddess Brahmacharini, another incarnation of goddess Parvati, is worshipped. In this form, goddess Parvati became Sati, her unmarried self. Goddess Brahmacharini is worshipped for emancipation or moksha, an endowment of peace and prosperity. Depicted as walking bare feet and holding a japmala and kamandalu in her hands, she symbolizes bliss and calm. Goddess Brahmacharini is the second incarnation of goddess Parvati. She blesses her devotees with the energy which helps them to survive and gain control over situations like sorrows, unfavorable incidents, and sufferings. The blessings and glory of Mother Goddess help her devotees to remain calm and follow the right path of life. It is believed that Lord Mars, the provider of all fortunes, is governed by the goddess Brahmacharini. Her favorite flower is jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Brahmacharini. Om Devi Brahmacharine Namaha. Day 3. Goddess Chandraghanta. Tritiya commemorates the worship of goddess Chandraghanta. The name derived from the fact that after marrying Lord Shiva, goddess Parvati adorned her forehead with half Chandra, that is, moon. She is the embodiment of beauty and is also symbolic of bravery. This form of goddess Parvati is peaceful and for welfare of her devotees. In this form, goddess Chandraghanta is ready for the war with all her weapons. It is believed that the sound of the moon bell on her forehead expel all type of spirits away from her devotees. It is believed that the planet Venus is governed by the goddess Chandraghanta. Her favorite flower is jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Chandraghanta. Om Devi Chandraghantaye Namaha. Day 4. Goddess Kushmanda. Goddess Kushmanda is worshipped on Chaturthi. Goddess Parvati started living inside the center of the sun so that sun can liberate energy to the universe. Since then, goddess is known as Kushmanda. Kushmanda is the goddess who has the power and capability to live inside the sun. The glow and radiance of her body is as luminous as that of the sun. It is believed that goddess Kushmanda provides direction and energy to the sun. Hence, God's sun is governed by the goddess Kushmanda. Goddess Kushmanda has 8 hands, and because of that she is also known as Ashtabhuja Devi. It is believed that all the power to bestow siddhis and nidhis are located in her japmala. It is stated that she created the whole universe, which is called Brahmanda in Sanskrit, by just flashing little bit of her smile. She also likes bali of white pumpkin, known as Kushmanda. Due to her association with Brahmanda and Kushmanda, she is popularly known as goddess Kushmanda. Her favorite flower are all red color flowers. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Kushmanda. Om Devi Kushmandaye Namaha. Day 5. Goddess Skandamata. Goddess Skandamata, worshipped on Panchami, is the mother of Skanda, also known as Lord Kartikeya. Goddess Skandamata mounts on the ferocious lion. She carries baby Murugan in her lap. Lord Murugan is also known as Kartikeya and brother of Lord Ganesh. Goddess Skandamata is depicted with 4 hands. She carries lotus flowers in her upper 2 hands. She holds baby Murugan in one of her right hand and keeps the other right hand in Abhay Mudra. She sits on lotus flower, and because of that Skandamata is also known as Goddess Padmasana. It is believed that the planet Mercury is governed by the goddess Skandamata. Her favorite flower are all red color flowers. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Skandamata. Om Devi Skandamataye Namaha. Day 6. Goddess Katyayani. Goddess Katyayani is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri. To destroy demon Mahishasura, Goddess Parvati took the form of Goddess Katyayani. It was the most violent form of Goddess Parvati. In this form, Goddess Parvati is also known as warrior goddess. Goddess Katyayani rides on the magnificent lion and depicted with her 4 hands. Goddess Katyayani carries lotus flower and sword in her left hands and keeps her right hands in Abhay and Vardha mudras. According to religious text, Goddess Parvati was born at the home of sage Katya, and due to which this form of Goddess Parvati is known as Katyayani. It is believed that the planet Jupiter is governed by the goddess Katyayani. Her favorite flower are all red color flowers, especially rose. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Katyayani. Om Devi Katyayane Namaha. Day 7. Goddess Kalaratri. Goddess Kalaratri is worshipped on the 7th day of Navratri. When the goddess Parvati removed outer golden skin to kill demons named Shumbha and Nishumbha, she was known as Goddess Kalaratri. Goddess Kalaratri is very aggressive and the most ferocious form of Goddess Parvati. Goddess Kalaratri complexion is dark black and she rides on a donkey. She is depicted with 4 hands. Her right hands are in Abhay and Vardha mudra, and she carries sword and the deadly iron hook in her left hands. Although the goddess Kalaratri is the most ferocious form of goddess Parvati, she blesses her devotees with Abhay and Vardha mudras. Because of her Shubha or auspicious power within her ferocious form, goddess Kalaratri is also known as goddess Shubhankari. It is believed that the planet Saturn is governed by the goddess Kalaratri. Her favorite flower is night blooming jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship goddess Kalaratri. Om Devi Kalaratraya Namaha. Day 8. Goddess Mahagauri. Goddess Mahagauri is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri. According to Hindu mythologies, the goddess Shailaputri at the age of 16 was extremely beautiful and was blessed with fair complexion. Due to her extreme fair complexion, she was known as Goddess Mahagauri. The mount of Goddess Mahagauri as well as Goddess Shailaputri is ride on bull, and because of that she is also known as Vrusharud. Goddess Mahagauri is depicted with 4 hands. She carries Trishul in one right hand and keeps the second right hand in Abhay Mudra. She adorns Damru in the one left hand and keeps the second left hand in Varad Mudra. As name suggests, Goddess Mahagauri is extremely fair. Due to her fair complexion, Goddess Mahagauri is compared with the conch, the moon, and the white flower of Kunda. She adorns white clothes only, and due to that she is also known as Shwetambar Dhara. It is believed that the planet Rahu is governed by Goddess Mahagauri. Her favorite flower is night blooming jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship Goddess Mahagauri. Om Devi Mahagaure Namaha. Day 9. Goddess Siddhidatri. Goddess Siddhidatri is worshipped on the 9th day of Navratri. In the beginning of the universe, Lord Rudra worshipped Adi Parashakti for creation. It is believed that Goddess Adi Parashakti had no form. The supreme goddess of power, Adi Parashakti, appeared in the form of Siddhidatri from the left half of Lord Shiva. Goddess Siddhidatri sits on lotus and rides on the lion. She is depicted with 4 hands. She has Gada in the one right hand, Chakra in the other right hand, lotus flower in the one left hand, and Shankha in the other left hand. It is believed that Goddess Siddhidatri provides direction and energy to planet Ketu. Hence, planet Ketu is governed by her. She is the goddess who possesses and bestows all type of siddhis to her devotees. Even Lord Shiva got all siddhis by grace of Goddess Siddhidatri. She is worshipped by not only humans but also by Dev, Gandharva, Asur, Yaksha and Siddha. Lord Shiva got the title of Ardhanarishwar when Goddess Siddhidatri appeared from his left half. Her favorite flower is night blooming jasmine. Chant this mantra to worship Goddess Siddhidatri. Om Devi Siddhidatrai Namaha. Happy Navratri to all. May Goddess Durga bless all of us with strength, protection, prosperity and abundance.